And here we are again on John's car. So, new battery in. We have power to everything. And the one thing I didn't get the chance to show you guys, because we were having issues with those lights staying on, no matter what we did, the switches were the issue. So those are all fixed now. We have driver's side rear up, passenger side rear up, vent window closed, because they don't make the piece we need to keep the door, the regulator in place for the glass. There we go. It's the only thing we can do. I hate doing that, but it's the only thing we can do. We don't have and can't get that particular rubber piece anymore. So that's doing that to dry. So tomorrow, when I get back in, I'm going to disassemble this door panel and figure out if you guys can hear this. Passenger side window won't go up, but the vents are fine. So that one's drying and it goes up and down perfectly like it's supposed to, but this one doesn't want to go up now. So I got to diagnose that. Yay. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. That's why doing electrical can be an absolute pain in the tuchus. So, but it is what it is. We'll get this taken care of and we'll make it right. It's what we do. Well, yeah, it's what we do. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.